Hi viewers, I am Ghazanfar Sheikh on my YouTube channel Yes to Healthy Life. Today I am talking about a little black seed. Its scientific name is Nigella sativa, also called black cumin seed, and in South Asia we call it kalonji. In addition to its culinary use, black seed is known for its medicinal properties. In different studies, its uses have been traced back to several centuries as a natural remedy for everything. I am telling you some of its most impressive and science based researches have shown that antioxidants in black seed have a powerful effect on several types of chronic conditions including cancer, diabetes, heart diseases, and obesity. Studies have shown that black seed essential oil also acted as a powerful antioxidant. It has been proved in 17 various studies that black seed powder decreases the LDL, which is bad cholesterol, and increase the level of HDL, which is good cholesterol, as well as it reduces blood triglycerides. Viewers, as you know, your liver is incredible important organ in your body. It removes toxins, metabolizes drugs, process nutrients, and produce proteins and chemicals that are very important for your health. Several studies have confirmed that protective effect of black seed, its antioxidant contents, and ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. So black seed protect the liver from all bads and keep it working well. High blood sugar can cause many negative symptoms, including increased thirst, unintentional weight loss, and fatigue, and it can lead to even more serious consequences such as nerve damage, vein changes, and slow down wounds healing. Studies have shown that black seed helps to keep the blood sugar steady and prevent these dangerous effects. Researchers have shown that black seeds could help preserve the lining of the stomach and prevent formation of ulcer. Some studies have confirmed that black seed and its components are fairly effective against several types of cancers, including pancreatic, lungs, cervical, prostate, colon, skin, and breast cancer. Several studies have proved that black seed have antibacterial properties and can strongly fight with the strains of bacteria and can protect you from bacterial infections. On the other hand, chronic inflammation is believed to contribute a variety of diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart diseases. Studies have shown that black seeds have powerful anti inflammatory effects in the body. Some people eat the black seeds raw or mixed with honey. It can be taken with water or can also be added to oatmeal, smoothies, and yogurt. For the Muslims, I would like to draw their attention to a hadith as per Sahih Bukhari, Volume 7. Abu Huraira Rahmatullah alayh narrates that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that black seed can heal every disease except death. So undoubtedly, black seed can be called a superfood on the planet. An effective dose of black seed is 3 grams of kalonji powder per day or 3 to 5 milliliter of oil. This is also effective for heart health and blood sugar level. That's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and wait for my upcoming videos. Thank you very much. God bless you all.